Whatever you focus on grows. Whatever you focus on expands. There is no archer after all the skills, experience, expertise and trainings comes before a target with the aim of missing the target. At that moment, after setting a vision in his mind, he understands that the only thing that he needs to drive that arrow deep into the bullseye, into the target, is a focus. He must have a mental focus as well as a visual focus. His eyes must be fixed on the target, just as I have revealed in this piece. His mindset must be also concentrated on that target in order for him to be able to attain his aim. At that moment, he understands that whatever distractions that will come around him, his mind must be fixed on the target. And that is the only way he can drive that arrow deep into the goal. And so I believe as African youth, in order for us to attain the vision of our life, the vision of the path that we want to attain in our life, we must have a focused mindset in this generation in order to bring about significant contributions into our continent, Africa, to be able to bring us into the spotlight of the world contributors. In order for us to attain greatness, in order for us to reach our goal, we must set our mind deep on the goal. I believe that the creator of the universe will always make everything work together for our good if our minds are set upon where we are heading to. In that way, ideas are going to be born to us. In that way, how we are going to solve problems will be revealed to us because we are set towards one discipline. This is what I believe. And remember this, whatever you focus on grows, whatever you focus on expands. And until next Monday again, this is Mitchell James.